Izzy the Iguana's Cleaning Adventure by Little Stars Cinema. Izzy's room is so messy. From trash on the floor to unnecessary clutter, you can't tell what one thing is from the other. Now she wants a fresh new start. Let's help her out. Can you find the trash can? There it is. Let's pick up the trash. Looking better already, little stars. Let's pick up our belongings. Can you find a box to put them in? Yay! You found one! This box for the meantime will hold the items we want to keep, not throw away. Let's get to work! Nice work, little stars. Let's move this box to get into more deep cleaning. Time to pick up all the clothes and fabrics to be washed and thoroughly cleaned. Let's find a laundry basket. You found it. Let's load up this laundry. That's headed to the laundry room. Let's get rid of some clutter. Move it somewhere else. Look, a mop and a broom. Let's use that broom to sweep up the dust clumps. Nice and spotless, little stars. Let's mop. Squeaky clean, little stars. Thank you for your help. Time to add some decor. And ta-da! A cozy and clean home.
Thank you for helping me. I was too shy to ask for help, and then there were all of you little stars. I promised to keep this place nice and tidy.
Awesome work today, little stars. You helped a friend in need get back in shape to a clean and fresh lifestyle. To keep your room clean, make sure to always put away your toys and other items you have used, and maintain a mess-free zone. Shine bright, little stars at
Little Stars Cinema. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest videos.